Apple wax has a clear green appearance, antioxidant-rich and contain vitamins that nourishes the skin. It is a lot gentler on the skin and has a lower melting point, suitable for all skin types, leaving behind hydrated and baby soft feel. Remove the aluminum lid and place wax can in heater and turn thermostat on maximum setting for a quick melt. Stir wax until proper consistency has been reached and heater down to normal temperature. Clean the area to be waxed with Intimo Pre-Wax Lotion. Apply wax in a thin layer in the direction of hair growth and wait 1 to 2 seconds for the wax to cool. And to ensure proper adhesion, then remove with strips. After epilation, apply Intimo After Wax Lotion to calm and soothe the skin. Available in 9 different variants: Brazilian black, avocado, banana, green apple, orange, lemon, honey, titanium, zinc oxide.